First, I often refer to it as the Unaffordable Care Act, because that's truly what it is. And Senator Casey, I'm asking him and others on the Democrat side to get engaged. There are about 3,144 counties in the United States. About a third of those counties now only have one medical insurance provider. And one of the things that we need is we need to make sure that there is enough adequate coverage for those who need coverage. And when we talk about this, the media likes to talk about, and the talking heads in DC like to talk about the people that are going to be coming off of this, or potentially could be coming off with the GOP plan. What they're not talking about are those that are coming off of it now. And the problem is the Unaffordable Care Act is truly that, the Unaffordable Care Act, and there are people losing coverage as we speak. And I don't care if they call it repeal and replace. I don't care if they call it gut and fix. I don't care what it is. The voters have asked the legislature to go to town in DC and give us a medical bill that will cover people. We don't have it. It's failing every single day we stand here, and we need the Democrats, and particularly Senator Casey. He has shown in the past, if you talked to him 10 years ago, he was a little more moderate. Today he seems to be more of a Philadelphia politician, and we need him to come back to be a moderate and start to engage and start to develop a bill.
Just to highlight a few things that Jeff said. 6 years ago when Obamacare, 7 years ago when Obamacare was passed, Senator Casey stood up and said, this is going to cut costs for individuals, it's going to cut costs for small businesses. And here we are, years later, and we have 120% increases in premiums. 120% in the last 4 years. Why are we trusting Bob Casey's judgment? Why are we trusting his advice on the healthcare future of our country? It seems to me that perhaps he should come to the table and try to make the system better, make the insurance providers provision of health insurance better in America, instead of just saying no to everything the Republicans are trying to do to fix Obamacare. As Jeff said, I think he used the term Philadelphia politician. The dramatic driving to the left that we've seen from Bob Casey in the last few months, pretty much since he entered re-election mode. He stands with the resistance groups to President Trump and to the Republican leadership. The one thing that I don't think gets said enough is he is not his father. His father, who stood in opposition to Planned Parenthood, who fought for the middle class here in Pennsylvania, and truly looked to work with the Republicans to make Pennsylvania a better place. That's not his son. His son is a in-the-pocket, liberal, activist, 93% voting record with Elizabeth Warren. At what point are Pennsylvanians going to say enough is enough? We demonstrated last year that Pennsylvania was tired of that kind of politics. We elected President Trump here in Pennsylvania. We re-elected Senator Toomey back to the Senate. And next year, I'm looking forward to making Senator Toomey the senior senator from Pennsylvania and sending Bob Casey into early retirement.
Amen.
Thank you.